Today we're looking at the 2023 Silverado ZR2 in a black exterior. This one is equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 and a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. All right, so making our way inside, we do have our Bose speaker systems from front to back of the vehicle. Inside you'll find our Graystone interior with our leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides. You'll find our power adjustable settings here on the left-hand side. Heading up, we have our leather heated steering wheel, and of course our 13-inch display touchscreen with built-in Google, as well as our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heading on further down, you'll find our dual climate control zones, our trailer brake settings, and of course our push-to-start ignition, as well as this vehicle is equipped with a remote start. Down below, you'll find more storage, our shifter, 2 cup holders, and inside the console, there's some goodies for you as well. An extra bin, more space, of course our USB-C and USB charge ports, wireless charging pad, and our AC outlet. Inside you'll see how the Graystone interior really complements the vehicle, as well as this nice carbon fiber here in the front dash. Moving our way over to the driver's side door, we have our automatic power windows, our adjustable side mirror settings. By our handle, we have our power locks, as well as our seat memory settings. Over here, you'll find our park brake, as well as our drive modes, and our automatic high beams. Moving on to the steering wheel here, we do have our voice recognition, as well as our audio controls. And on the left-hand side, like I said earlier, we do have our heated steering wheel, as well as this vehicle is equipped with cruise control, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and front pedestrian braking. When reversing, vehicle is equipped with a 360 camera, as well as a built-in rear view camera as well. If we look up, you'll see we do have a 24/7 rear view mirror camera at all times, as well as our universal home garage opener and our sunroof controls. Making our way to the back here, we're continuing our theme of heated leather seats. You can find those settings in the middle, as well as our 2 vents, 1 USB-C charge port and 1 USB charge port, 2 cup holders. Behind each front seat, there is a pouch for extra storage. Speaking of storage, these seats have storage within them, underneath them. Basically, anywhere you could think, this truck has storage. You can also store your cups here in this cup holder. And last but not least, we have our power slidable rear window. Checking out the exterior here on our ZR2, we have our black grille, of course with our front-facing camera, ZR2 badge on the right-hand side, our LED headlights and fog lamps, and of course our red tow hooks at the bottom. Heading over to our tires, we have 18-inch rims on our Goodyear off-road tires. It also comes with the factory suspension lift, and of course our heated side mirrors, black running boards, small tint in the back window. We have our corner assist steps on each side of the truck, LED taillights, black Chevy bow tie badge in the back, our spare tire lays underneath, and we have our multi-pro tailgate. If you want half down, press the top button, it'll come down no problem. This can be turned into a step if needed. If you want the whole thing, second button, hands-free, no problem. Comes equipped with our spray-on bedliner, and of course our 120 volt outlet here on the right hand side. And that is our 2023 Silverado ZR2 in a black exterior. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help you with any questions you may have.